Some places don't need an introduction. You can feel them the moment your boots hit the ground. Tombstone is one of those places. The boards are worn smooth. The streets are quiet now. But you can tell this ground remembers pressure. Places like this still teach you something. If you slow down enough to listen, before paved roads, before GPS, before comfort. People came here knowing the land wasn't forgiving. They survived on instinct, reputation, and hard choices. Tina and I walked these streets slowly, not chasing legends, just paying attention. Out here, people didn't become who they wanted to be. They became who the land demanded they be. Water was scarce. Mistakes were permanent. And the desert didn't care who you thought you were. Standing here, you realize something pretty quick. Places like this didn't create strong people. They revealed them. As we walked, I kept thinking about how different things look now. Modern gear, modern roads, modern safety nets, but the rules haven't changed nearly as much as we like to believe. Eventually, every story out here pulls you away from the buildings and back toward the land itself. Once Tombstone faded behind us, the road opened up, the desert stretched wider, and the Superstition Mountains rose ahead. They're beautiful in a quiet, intimidating way, the kind of beauty that doesn't invite you in. It watches you approach. These mountains carry one of the most famous legends. In the Southwest, the lost Dutchman's gold, stories of men who believed there was something hidden out here worth risking everything for. And stories of men who never came back. Walking through the museum, looking at old maps and artifacts, you can feel the pull of obsession, faded ink, worn edges, promises that never quite came true, that idea that the land owes you something, if you're just tough enough to take it. But the wilderness doesn't work that way. It doesn't reward myths. It doesn't care about ambition, and it never bends to desperation. Out here, preparation matters, judgment matters, knowing when to stop matters. More than once, when people mistook stubbornness for strength. And the mountains answered honestly. Standing there, I couldn't help but think about how often we push past quiet warnings, how easy it is to convince ourselves we're different, smarter, more capable. The land has a way of sorting that out from the mountains. By the time we reached the Salt River, everything slowed down.
Hey, Mama.
Hey, Mama.
We followed the one thing that has always decided survival in this part of the world. Water. Everything out here eventually answers to it. Boots came off. Kayaks went in. The river doesn't announce itself, it just moves.
Hey guys, y'all can see our terrain is a little bit different today. Say hey, Mama.
Hey, Mama.
We are in Tonto National Forest in Arizona. We're kayaking down the Salt River. It's about a 2-hour trip. So We're gonna let the cameras roll and see what we get. Thank y'all. Hey, bird.
Once we were on the water, the noise faded. No crowds. No stories being told.
Is that not absolutely beautiful? Looks a little different than our South Georgia rivers. Look at that big old cactus.
Just the sound of paddles dipping and current sliding past the hull. Out here, you don't fight the river.
You got some rapid coming up. Oh yeah, last time there. Woo! Alright, we got some more rapids. Alright, let's go. Let's start. Woo!
You read it, you feel how the wind presses against your shoulders. You notice how the current pulls a little harder on one side. You adjust without thinking too much about it.
Look at that up there. That's not beautiful.
Tina paddled ahead of me for a while, quiet, steady, no rush, no wasted. Motion, that's something water teaches better than words ever can. Pace matters. Force doesn't. The river decides how fast you go. It decides where your attention needs to be.
Ah, here we go again. That's it.
And it reminds you that you're not in control. You're participating. We floated through stretches where the water barely whispered, then moved through sections where it demanded focus. No drama, no danger, just awareness. And that's where...
Pretty fun. Last 30 times. Oh, otters.
Did you get all that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That was pretty neat. Just got them 2 otters.
Let's see if I can get all that.
Go, mama, go.
Everything from earlier in the day started to settle in. The people of Tombstone, The men who disappeared into the superstitions. The stories that grew bigger than the truth at different times, different tools, same rules. The land doesn't need you to conquer it, it needs you to listen. By the time we pulled off the river, the light had softened, the kind of light that makes everything feel honest, walking the past, paddling the present. It all ties together if you slow down enough to see it. Some lessons don't belong to museums or legends. They live in how you move through the world, how you respect water, how you read the land, how you know when to push and when to let things carry you. Those lessons are still here, same as they've always been. You just have to be willing to hear them.
Hey, hey guys, hope y'all enjoyed our little trip down the Salt River in Arizona.
We did.
We did. Drop us
Yeah.
some comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, stay rugged.
Have a good day. Bye.
Blackwater Outdoor Journeys. Thank y'all.
Where the map ends, the wild begins. Stay rugged.